Okay, today we have a 1994 F-150. This is the XLT and it has the 5.0 liter. And what we find is that the fan completely broke off the shaft. The fan's mangled, the radiator's destroyed. But what's interesting is that this still turns. It doesn't have play. It's smooth. I feel no restriction or anything. Nothing's loose. It looks like this is press fit, which is obviously how they put them together. And it just slid all the way through, but the end of that shaft does look sheared off. And I can't find the other piece anywhere. It's a new one. Haven't ever seen that before.